Hi guys, Daniel here and welcome back to another of my how-to videos. This is an Echo Studio in front of me. You may have bought one or someone may have kindly bought you one, and you're probably wondering how to pair your phone or tablet to this to play music because it's got really good sound. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So you'll need the, just pause that a minute. You'll need the Alexa app first off. So I've got it on my phone here. And then once you've opened it up, you need to go to Devices. This one. Now I've got mine in different rooms, but yours may just be in a list, so just find it. And mine's called Living Room Echo Studio. And there's two ways you can do this to enable the Bluetooth. You can use this part here, which is like a quick access, or if it doesn't exist by the time you watch this video, you can go Settings, icon at the top, then Bluetooth devices, and then pair a new device. So we'll go back to the main page for it. So Bluetooth connections, connected device. Okay, so then you would go on your phone. If it's an iPhone, you go to Settings, Bluetooth, and your Echo Studio is now there. So you would tap that.
Now connected to Daniel's phone 8.
So as you can see, that's how you pair your phone to your Echo Studio. It'll be the same for Android as well and other tablets, and it'll allow you to play music, videos and anything you want to play. And then obviously once you've finished with that, you can just turn the Bluetooth off and the Echo Studio will disconnect from it. And you should be able to just turn it back on and then just tap it.
Connected to Daniel's phone 8.
So basically
now that you're paired, next time just say, connect my phone.
Okay, so that's obviously a shortcut. So once you've connected it once, it knows, and then you can easily do it again. So you don't have to go into the app to do it. Here we go. Thanks for watching, and if you've got any questions, please ask me.